mixed up my resin, and I did it angrily. Made sure I got lots of bubbles. So, oh, there's my camera. There's a lot of micro bubbles in here. And I'm just gonna make sure I mix up some more. And let me clean off my little stir stick here. I took my glove off this hand because when I touched this, I had resin on my glove and I was getting resin on the top. So I'm just being very careful not to get any resin on this hand. So I'm going to take my cup. I mixed about 4 ounces and lift the lid off. Gonna place it inside. Put the lid back on. Gonna touch on, and this mode can either do it for 5 minutes or 9 minutes. We're going to try 5 minutes and then start. There it goes. And as it goes, oh, you can hear it. The vacuum is starting, and this number will go up to 92, I believe is what it said. It says after 3 seconds the machine starts to work. When the pressure reaches 92, the bubbles start to eliminate. Normally it takes about 1 minute to reach 92 and 1.5 minutes to reach 95. So we got our timer going, we got this going, and we're just gonna wait and watch the magic happen. Okay, that was the end of our second cycle. It's been 10 minutes. There's this little silicone flap I opened. Let it degas. And it said it needed to degas for 30 seconds to release the pressure. There we go. And I will say, this is pretty freaking awesome. Right now, I mixed 4 ounces of resin, and it looks like I have 1 ounce, this 1 ounce line up top here. That's where the bubbles are now. So from all the way up to the 3 ounce line, it is crystal clear. So I have some workable. Let me check the temperature on here real quick. 92 degrees, so it's not even 100 degrees yet, so I still got time. I am going to try one more round. I'm going to put it on. I'm going to make sure this silicone little flap is closed. Let's turn it on. 5 minutes, and oh, I can hear it. Start. Okay, the timer just went off. This is so cool. I'm going to degas it, so I'm going to pull this little flap open. It takes about 30 seconds. There still is some bubbles in there, but holy cow! Look at amazing. This is okay, the word I'm going to just keep saying is amazing. Let me check the temperature. It is getting hotter now. It is now 101.7. So I need to start getting going, but this is just a trial run. I just wanted to see how many bubbles this will help release in this vacuum chamber. I mean, I did an angry stir at the beginning. It was full, tons and tons, billions of bubbles. Now I just have a fraction of amount of bubbles. This is incredible. So one thing I do need to keep in mind is when I mix my resin, keep doing what I do. Don't over mix, get angry, make it violent. We just want to minimize bubbles as much as we can. And this is a powerful tool to help the bubbles release out of resin. I am super excited I found this. I hope this video has helped you. And let me know in the comments what you think. Have you used this machine before? Do you have any tips for us? I am going to keep using it. This is my first time using it, but I'm going to start using it with every resin project I do and see how I can have this tool best fit my resin crafting. So thank you for watching this. Thank you for experimenting with me, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.